Oh hi, welcome to my channel. I'm Shamapti and today my inner frustrations have led me to make this video because I don't buy makeup products usually, but when I buy makeup products I want them to work. But sometimes they don't work, which drive me crazy. So today I have these makeup things with me that didn't work for me and I'm gonna rant throughout this video. To be very frank, let's start with the products that didn't work for me. First I have this nail polish from Color Bar. Looks pretty, right? I know, but it's not pretty. When I apply this, the color doesn't look nice. When I try to remove this nail polish, it hurts. They have added some particles that make it so difficult for it to remove everything from the color. If I try to get rid of it, nothing works with this nail polish. It's better to avoid it, not to buy it. I mean, for me it didn't work. I don't know if it's gonna work for you or not. It has this beautiful blue color apparently, but when I put this, the color looks different. It has this particles inside it to make it look fancy, I guess, but not fancy. Up next I have this lip tint from Flower Beauty. I don't know why they are calling this lip tint. This is not a lip tint, this is a lip balm. It looks like Clinique Chubby Stick. Is the camera taking focus? No, it's not. Oh, today is a bad day, I'm telling you. Just see this. The color is pretty and everything. Oh, come on. Focus. Yeah, sorry about that. So yeah, the color is pretty and everything, but this is not lip tint. This is lip balm. Tinted lip balm, like those Clinique Chubby Sticks. So if I'm buying a lip tint, I want a lip tint. I don't want a lip balm. I don't want a lip balm, no matter how good that is. So if you're looking for a lip balm, tinted lip balm, you can buy this one. But if you're looking for a lip tint, this is not it. This is not a lip tint. Up next I have this Estee Lauder mascara. This is expensive, but this is not good at all. It is clumpy and it costs a lot. So what is it? What is it, Estee Lauder? I don't know, it's my formula or not, the thing I got. Maybe something is wrong with this, but I prefer Maybelline over this any day. And Maybelline is way cheaper. Even the Benefit Real Mascara, those are good stuff, but this one is clumpy. Very average, I would say, for the price we're paying. So no, not my thing. So up next I have this lipstick from Flower Beauty. This is Nude Blush. And I previously tried this lipstick. This is Crimson Touch. I love this one, but this one, I don't know why this is so drying. I mean, these are from the same range, but this is okay, but this is extremely drying. Extremely drying. See, the color is very pretty, but when it dries like anything. And so I don't like this. Okay, I need to show you one thing. I got these blushes from Flower Beauty. These are very good. Extremely pigmented. Like really? Okay. Very pigmented, very comfortable formula. Feels very nice on the skin. You can use this as lip tints as well, depending on the color. These things are very good. But this one, Nude Blush, no. I like the color but not the formula. Feels extremely drying on my lips. So up next, I think you know about this product. This is Color Bar Kajal. It has so much glitters. I don't like it. If you like glitters, you can go for it. This is not smudge proof, by the way, and I won't buy this again. I wish it didn't have this glitters. So yeah, up next I have this eyebrow thing. This is the eyebrow mascara. It doesn't do anything, and I'm not that person who likes Instagram brows. I don't want my eyebrows to be extra precise, this and that, but it doesn't do anything. I feel like I'm just using a dry mascara like this. That's it. It is just a overpriced spoolie. I can dry my mascara wand. I can use this as this product, but I paid like 700 I think for this. For what? I'm so disappointed with NYX. Okay, now I have another product from Flower Beauty. It is their eye pencil. This is Silver Fox Glossy Eyeliner. I don't like the color. Plus it smudges like anything. Sorry for babbling. If you like the color and the look of it, go for it, but for me, no. And yeah, I got few more products and I'm gonna make some interesting videos with those makeup products. Stay tuned for those things. Did you hear something? Bad day, no? I'm hearing stuff even right now. Maybe it was a lizard somewhere, I don't know. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna make some interesting contents with those makeup products I got, because yeah, I have some funny ideas to do with those things, so I'm not gonna disclose them yet. And yeah, that's all for now. I hope you found this to be helpful, and thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe if you want to watch more videos like this. I hope not. I hope I don't get products like this that don't work for me, but yeah, just subscribe to my channel. It helps me a lot, and I like to see my channel is growing, and I promise I'm gonna make better contents. So yeah, and I'm so sorry for this rant. I'll see you very soon. Bye bye. You know what a bad day is? See, I just shot the entire video. I just realized it. Lipstick on my teeth. I'm gonna upload this video like this. You know what? Bad day. Can it get worse? Lipstick on teeth. I hope you get a good laugh.